Hi Pisces. I'm going to do your reading for you. We'll see what your daily tarot says today. I'm just going to shuffle 2 more times, Pisces. Okay, Pisces. Let's find out what's going on here. We have strength on the bottom of the deck, so I feel like you could be dealing with a Leo. You could have a Leo in your life. Something is difficult. Something that you're dealing with is difficult here. It's not easy. Let's find out what's going on. Just move this. Let's get the skeleton legs kicking. Okay. What's happening with Pisces spirits? We're starting off here with the 8 of Cups. The 8 of Cups is someone walking away. Someone could be walking away from something. They could be doing this very quickly. We're going to clarify the cards after I get these laid out. The 8 of Wands is something that can be happening very quickly. What's happening with Pisces? Yeah, there could be a conflict with other people. There could be competition, arguments with the 5 of Wands. The World is here, so there's a cycle ending. There's a chapter ending. The center card of your reading is Page of Swords. This can be someone spying on social media. They're looking at the world. We have the 5 of Swords here. This is again some type of conflict. Somebody's walking away from this person, and this person has a smirk on their face. Do you see it? And if we look up here at the beginning of your reading, I'm seeing someone walking away right there. I feel like someone's in their ego, someone's taking a pause, looking at other options. We have the Moon. So you could be dealing with another Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. Doesn't have to be though. And then we have the Page of Cups. Let's clarify these cards. This could be someone showing up here with the Page of Cups, showing up charming, but I'm not sure I believe them. So you may reject this offer with the 4 of Cups. Let's find out what's going on, Pisces. I'm just going to shuffle 2 more times. This is very significant, this person walking away. I'm not sure if this is you or someone else, because it's showing up as the very first card in this reading. Yeah, I feel like you're going to be getting messages from someone. This could be an Aquarius, Libra, or a Gemini. It doesn't have to be, but someone's rushing towards you with messages. This is someone who's not even thinking about what they're saying before they're doing it. They're doing it very hasty, a very hasty decision to send you messages. Okay, why is the Eight of Cups here, spirits? The Queen of Pentacles. This is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. See, there's that Eight of Pentacles again. I mean, the Eight of Wands again. Messages. Someone's coming towards you. The Chariot is here now. See, and we have the same cards here on the bottom of the deck. We have the Seven of Pentacles, the Page of Swords, and this conflict with other people. Someone keeps investing, and over again, repeatedly doing something, trying to make something work, and it is just not working. It's not going anywhere. And this is someone who's watching you on social media, I feel like, Pisces. The Page of Swords is here again. Someone is spying on you. This person is fighting an inner battle. They could be having arguments with this Queen of Wands, or this is someone who wants to reconcile with you. It could be a Sagittarius, but there's some type of a conflict with a Queen of Wands, whoever this is. This is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. This is someone who sees you as the Queen of Pentacles. So they're seeing you as very stable, grounded person, as their stability. Not as their stability, but they see you as this beautiful Queen of Pentacles. This very, very enriching type energy. I'm probably using the wrong word there, but they see you walking away. This is someone who sees you walking away. They feel you walking away. And so I'm seeing this person rushing towards you. These are both the fastest moving energies in the tarot deck. I feel like someone's coming towards you very quickly, Pisces, if they haven't already. They could have in the recent past. This is a general reading, so take it as it resonates, but someone's coming towards you very quickly. Here it is again, the Eight of Wands. Very fast energy here of communication, messages going back and forth. Why is the Eight of Wands here? Because someone's up in their head about you. They cannot stop thinking about you. They want to stop this before it goes any further. They feel you moving away from them, Pisces. They can feel it. And this is someone who has a lot of pride. This is why they're fighting an inner battle about doing this, about sending you this messages. Why is the Eight of Wands here? Here we go again. See? They're worried about the cycle ending. They don't want this chapter to end. It's like they're trying to stop it, but I feel like it's too late. I feel like this has already ended. I'm seeing you walk, your energy as you're walking away. This could be a marriage. This could be someone that you're married to. Four of Wands. This is also someone who could be thinking about the marriage they had with you, or this is someone that could have shared a home with you that is now at a distance from you. And then we have this Five of Wands showing up here. This competition, battle, conflict with other people. Take it as it resonates. Why is the Five of Wands here? The Hierophant, yeah, with the Hierophant and the Four of Wands, this could have been a marriage. Or you could be married to this person right now. You could be dealing with Taurus or Aquarius. The Tower's here. I feel like you're trying to take control of things, Pisces, because there's no balance here. This is someone that could have been breadcrumbing you, giving you very little. They're paying attention to one person here. Maybe feeling ignored. You're taking control with the Emperor. You could be dealing with an Aries, but you're taking control of things. You're looking at the big picture. And this is why I'm seeing you walking away. There's a higher level of commitment here with the Hierophant. The Star is here. This is healing. The Tower is coming down. This person is such a stubborn person. It's a really, really stubborn energy, Pisces. And so the Tower is coming down. You're walking away looking for, you're walking into a higher level of commitment. It could be something spiritual, but this connection with this person, it is not built on a stable foundation, and it's falling down. And it's like, I feel like you could, for some of you, not all of you, it's very, there's a conflict here. There's a conflict of you still holding on in a way. The World is here. So again, we see the World. I'm seeing the Tower and then the World. The cycle is closing, suddenly closing. It's like all of a sudden you start feeling better. You're able to walk away. There's healing here. There's a higher level of commitment. You're starting to recognize something. Why is the World here? It's closing out. Okay, there's... Okay. Here we go. The Queen of Swords. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy. This person that you're dealing with, I feel like there's a third party involved here, and they're trying to come to you like Prince Charming. Page of Cups twice. Like it feels like a fairy tale, but you see right through it. It could be someone who likes to be in charge, who seems to be like tough on the outside, but they have you in a three-party situation. Very sneaky energy, Pisces, and you see right through it. You know what's going on here. And so the chapter is closed, but this person's watching you. And I feel like they're somehow watching you on social media. Why is the Page of Swords here? Why are they watching you? Because there's a conflict. The Five of Wands is here again. Judgment is here. Judgment is here on the bottom of the deck. This person's time has run out. And so this is why I'm seeing them rushing towards you very hastily, not even thinking about, they feel you slipping away. And they want to offer you this Ace of Cups, this new beginning in love. It's like, stop, Pisces. But they're fighting an inner battle. They are in this position right here, like I told you, watching your social media. But they're fighting an inner battle and a conflict because there's other people here that are involved in their life. There's a third party, and they're holding back. This is a very selfish person, Pisces. I'm getting a very selfish energy of whoever I'm picking up here. I'm feeling like there's someone here that they just don't want to, they don't want to give. They want everything perfect. They want everything their way. They want everything lined up just right. And so they're holding back. See again here with the Five of Swords. I'm seeing someone here that is selfish. Why is the Five of Swords here? The Eight of Pentacles. Strength. Page of Cups. This could be a Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. They are feeling a lot of regret, Pisces. They keep thinking about you. They keep remembering times of the past, looking at your pictures, feeling sadness, feeling regret. They have a lot of love for you, but they're keeping it to themselves. They're not outwardly showing it. They're not telling anybody. The Knight of Wands is here, so this is someone who's very nice looking, someone charming, someone that you do have a lot of love for, Pisces. You love this person. Two of Cups. But why do we have this selfish person all of a sudden becoming soft like this with the Page of Cups? Maybe the answers will come. But I'm seeing them wanting to work on this connection with you. This is someone that could be focused on their money, working on their money right now, and something about their money and what they're working on is difficult for them. Let's keep going and see what shows up here. And then we have the Seven of Cups. Why is the Seven of Cups here? Six of Pentacles. Ten of Swords. Yeah. This person, this could be a Gemini with the Lovers showing up here. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is here. And Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. This is someone that has stood looking at their options for too long, Pisces. Right here, Seven of Cups. Okay, I told you it's someone who is in their ego, looking at options. They could be looking online a lot. I keep getting this online type energy with this person. There's no balance here with the Six of Pentacles. But this person wants to all of a sudden come towards you. They're coming towards you very slowly, Pisces, with the Knight of Pentacles. This is someone moving towards you very slowly. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. I feel like they're just... they're not sure how to approach you because this is someone that betrayed you. 10 swords in the back. There's something here that you don't see with the moon. There's something here hidden in this whole situation. We have the Knight of Cups. The Devil. Could be Capricorn energy there. 10 of Cups. The Sun is on the bottom of the deck. Okay, so this is this person that we're talking about here, this connection. I feel like you can feel each other's energy. This person could be at a distance from you with the Three of Wands showing up. This is someone who still has hope. But why are they feeling like this? Trying to make a decision, some type of imbalance. It's a strong energy of trying to heal. There could be a baby involved for someone. Something is going to be brought to light. Something that you're not seeing that is in the darkness with the moon is going to be illuminated, brought into light. And you have the Knight of Cups, the Devil, and the Ten of Cups. This person sees you as their Ten of Cups, Pisces. They see you as their happiness. They're feeling sad. Why is the Knight of Cups here? Okay, so they're trying to make a decision. I feel like they're waiting for something, Pisces. I'm seeing them here waiting for something because there's some type of instability in their life with the Two of Pentacles. They're trying to like work on something here that's difficult. I'm not sure what's going on here. They're waiting for something, but then I see them approaching you here as the Page of Cups. Why is the Page of Cups here? We have the Two of Swords, the Fool, and the Three of Pentacles. Judgment again on the bottom of the deck. They want this reconciliation with you. This could be a Sagittarius. Oh. I've got this energy of someone who just keeps trying and trying, and they end up with this person who's very in their ego. They're in their ego. That's what it is. They feel like they don't have anything to bring to you. But judgment is here. This is someone who feels like they made a decision they can't take back, and so they've been closed off, but they are setting themselves free, taking a leap of faith, wanting to work with you. Why is the Three of Pentacles here? Yeah, they want to work with you, Pisces. This is someone who's really went within, soul searching in the energy of the Hermit and made a decision. They're very, very, very much in their mind about you. We have the Knight of Wands again rushing towards you, wanting this reconciliation with you. Okay, so let's see what this person wants to say to you, Pisces. Okay. Well, let's see what the message is here. Spirits, what does Pisces need to know about this connection with this person? One more shuffle, Pisces. What does Pisces need to know? Deception. Someone is wearing a false mask in this relationship, which is why we got the devil energy. Can be deception. Okay. Separation. Time apart from your partners on the horizon, and let go of control issues. Allow this situation to unfold naturally. Free yourself. It's time to take back control of your life. Free yourself. Someone is wearing a false mask. This is like the devil energy. This could be an energy of someone that you're feeling attached to, having a hard time releasing yourself from. Separation, you could be in separation with this person, and let go of control issues. Allow this situation to unfold naturally. Okay, so let's see what this person wants to say to you, Pisces. Okay, message from Pisces. If you're dealing with a Pisces, or this could be your energy, you speak to me through music. Cancer, I want to tell you so much. Scorpio, I look everywhere for you. Aries this is Aries, I'm so attracted to you. Leo, I don't know what to say. Sagittarius, I fear that you will reject me. Aquarius, I forgive you. Libra, I love myself enough to walk away. Gemini, you are not part of my plan. Taurus, I hope you're happy for me. Virgo, just being near you is intoxicating. Capricorn, I was careless with you. And for everyone on the bottom of the deck, I don't know how to let you go. See, that's that, when you get the Devil card, it's like someone that it's hard to detach from. Okay. Don't know how to let you go. I think that's what we'll name this. Okay, let's get your Moonology cards, Pisces, for advice. One more shuffle. What does Pisces need to know, spirits? We have look at the bigger picture. That is full moon in Sagittarius. And a fiery climax approaches. Okay, we have several that want to come out here. The energy is gaining momentum. Luck is on your side. You are good enough. And take time to breathe out. Okay, Pisces, so these are the messages spirits have for you. I hope they help. And thank you guys so much for being here with me. I'm just trying to do these readings earlier in the day because I was having a couple nights there where my videos weren't loading, and so it just really stresses me out because I want to get your readings to you every day, and when I'm sitting there looking and it's just not loading, I don't know whether you know it's my phone or what is going on. So instead of being stressed out about it, I just am trying to get your readings done early. But remember, Speak no evil. Hear no evil. See no evil. Okay, Pisces, I love you guys. And I will see you tomorrow. Namaste.